So YouTube, GB Trader again, up for another day. Today is this January 23rd, and I took a dub just now. I actually traded my stop for a 1-to-1, but I could have had a 1-to-2 if I didn't. But anyways, and I also secured my first payout of the year with Topstep. As you can see right here, I'll show you. So 6.7k in total with Topstep. But on my alpha accounts, I'm still 2 days away from getting a payout. I need 2 more winning days basically, because I lost the one last night during Asia session in London because I was trying to short to this low right here. Obviously my stop loss placement wasn't the best, even though we pretty much dumped overnight. But anyways, I can go over this trade first for the alphas. But yeah, yesterday I wanted to target these lows right here, even the daily gap somehow, because we had this daily gap that formed, and I was waiting for us to. I was pretty much just predicting a reversal, even though I'm not really more of a reversal trader. That's what I did last night, and definitely backfired. My first entry was this guy here, because I thought we were just gonna hold this 50-minute gap over here. So I placed my entry over here, stop loss around above the 15-minute gap, right over here. TP around this area, 7:30 candle. Obviously got stopped out within 30 minutes or 1 hour. And then I re-entered again, since we somehow, like I said, I'm just trying to predict. Obviously that didn't work out, so this one's gone. So I re-entered shorts again. I don't really know why I did. Maybe because there's still I think I was going off a 5-minute gap that was holding right about here. Yeah, it was this guy here. So I believe I entered off at this candle here around 11:40. Stop loss like 25 points, just above this, like right here in the swing high. And as you can see, got stopped me out. And then after around 3 o'clock, that's when we started dumping. So that I definitely missed the move on that one, because I was trying to do something out of my strategy basically, like more of a reversal, which I'm not really good at because I don't have any data collected on it, since I'm more of a continuation trader anyway. But yeah, that's how I took 2 losses last night on the alphas. I was like risking 500 to make $1,000. But yeah, so I still need 2 more trading days again to request a payout. So it could have been a 10k payout if I didn't mess around last night. But yeah, I mean, I have like 30 green days already on this account. I've had this since November, so it's been a while. So yeah, we'll see what we get next week again on the alphas. But on the Topstep accounts, I took a dub this morning. It was a pretty clean trade, not gonna lie. But anyways, market open, we had this right here, 9:30, somewhere here. Well, this guy. So we pumped higher, and then we dumped. We had this 15-minute gap over here. Basically my targets were maybe London lows, but technically we made an SMT with London lows pre-market, so I was not considering targeting this guy anymore. My next target would be London. I think this one's Asia highs, or London highs, and then previous daily high. So yeah, we pretty much respected this 15-minute gap over here, and then we made a 1-minute gap over here. And my condition was, if we respect it and then we inverse this 1-minute gap, I'm gonna enter. So I entered off of here. Stop loss just below the 1-minute gap. Going for a 1 to 2 right above here. Definitely it edged me right over here. So after that, I just pretty much trailed my stop loss for a 1-to-1, right about here, and it got me by the tick, and then it proceeded to take my TP. But I mean that's fine. It's still a 1-to-1. My balance is still pretty good, so I'm still gonna be risking $500 each trade going forward. So, but yeah, I mean, nice way to end the week with a payout. I mean, it could have been a nice 10K payout if I didn't mess around with alphas, with the alpha accounts. That's what I keep doing every time I'm trying to secure my 5th winning day on the alpha. I keep trading Asia and London, and then I always keep losing. So I guess for next time, I'm probably just gonna wait for NY session. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Hope you have a good week. Peace out.